Hey, I'm TJ Rockenbaugh with MidSouth Construction, and today we're here on site at the Jelllystone RV Park. This property suffered a fire a couple months ago in an upper apartment level, and throughout the remediation process, we found that the inside the Hot Rod Cafe on the main level contained lots of asbestos. So today we are starting the removal of the asbestos so that we can start the renovations to this project. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Inside here, as you can see, we have some damage to the ceiling. Water staining from the water from the fire department came down. We started to do a dry out. Noticed that we found some materials that most likely contained asbestos, and we had those tested accordingly. We found that all the ceiling texture, as well as the orange brown flooring you see underneath here, this all contains asbestos. So what the crew today is doing is they're prepping and getting plastic up on the wall, protecting some of the countertop fixtures areas so that way we do not damage those, and cleanup will be a lot easier. This should take about 4 days to finish. We'll have it down to the subfloor, down to the ceiling joint, and at that point we'll be able to be ready to start putting this back together. Looking forward to the process getting a good start. Thank you so much.